just that you and Malim are extraordinary. Speaking of extraordinary, I hear that the storm dragon Veldora has awakened.
My. Now this is a rumor that I'd actually be interested in hearing. You were saying that my younger brother Veldora has finally awakened. I stopped sensing him about 2 years ago, so I was all but convinced that he had died.
Tell me, are you sure? There is no doubt.
Listen very carefully. Veldora is the incarnation of natural energy. A raging storm can be brought to heal temporarily, but the evil dragon has the will to circumvent all.